Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a German sweet chocolate pie. And I've made a easy chocolate pie before, and it was called a candy bar pie. And so this time I'm going to make this one, and it's another easy, budget-friendly recipe. And the ingredients are whipped topping, Baker's German chocolate, 4 ounces of cream cheese, an Oreo pie crust, and some milk. So let me get started on my pie. All right, this is my makeshift double boiler. I didn't have one, and so I've got my pan over a small pot. So I have my chocolate in here, and so I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of milk and melt this. Just a little bit more. Okay. It's a beautiful day here in Georgia today, and when I get this pie made, me and Calvin is going hiking, so we'll burn off the calories. This is what we're having for our dessert tonight. My candy bar pie is just a little bit easier than this one, but this is going to be a good one too. It's getting there. It's just a tad more. Okay, it's melted now. So I'm going to take it off of the eye or the stove top. Some people don't know what you mean when you say eye. So, okay, so now I'm going to turn it down and just let it cool while I do the rest of my recipe. Okay, my chocolate is over there cooling now, so I'm going to put in my 4 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to beat this up. Okay, I've got my cream, cheese and sugar mixed up. So now I'm going to be adding in my milk and my chocolate. And beat that up. I don't think I want to hit that or pick that bowl up. It's still a little warm. Okay. So add in my chocolate. Okay. I got all that out. All right. Let me get this beat up. Stop just for a minute and scrape the sides off. Now then I'm going to fold in my Cool Whip, and I'm going to put about 8 ounces of Cool Whip in it. Okay. Okay, I think that's pretty much mixed together now. So now I'm going to put it in my Oreo pie crust. There's nothing hard about this pie except stirring it up. I really like to make easy pies. That's my favorite dessert to make. Okay, let's smooth this out. I have my pie ready now, and so I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 4 hours, and me and Calvin is going to go on a hike today, and so when we get back we'll really enjoy this. And I like to make these easy pies, and like I said, I have a candy bar pie that I made. It's even easier than this one, but I wanted to try this one this way this time because it had the cream cheese in it. And so I think we're really going to like this one.
We're here at the Mount Berry Trail. We're fixing to go walking on it for just a little while today. Maria's anxious to get out here and start walking. She's looking forward to that.
I'm looking forward more to getting my pie when I get back.
Say that again.
I said I'm looking forward more to getting that piece of pie that I made before we left.
Oh yeah, that pie will be good, won't it?
Yeah, I'll take this walk and maybe it'll burn off the calories.
Yeah. This looks like a fun hike today, don't it, Marie?
I'll let you know when we get finished.
We're looking forward to it.
Hi, we're back from our 2-mile walk today, and we really had a great time. We walked by the river, and we looked at the river, and we sat and we swang too. So we rested a little bit too on the way back, and we really enjoyed ourselves. It was really nice getting out in nature today, and so we were looking forward to when we got back to get a piece of pie though. So let me get my pie out of the refrigerator. It's been in there for several hours now. And the name of this pie was German sweet chocolate pie. Okay. Yeah, it's good and firm now. So I'm gonna put some Cool Whip on it. Okay.
Marie, that pie really looks good.
It does, doesn't it? Okay, I'm gonna try something right here. Okay. Now then I'm gonna, you can put chocolate shavings on this, but today I'm just gonna put some fall decorations on it, because I don't have any shavings right now. Okay, I'm ready to cut a piece now. Let's cut this pie. Okay. Whoops. Now I'm going to do the taste test. Man, that is very delicious. I like this one better than I did the candy bar pie. Get one more bite. This pie is very delicious pie, and I think if y'all make it, you'll see how fast and easy it is, and you'll really enjoy it. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great day. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.